The next dance we're going to show you is a very popular dance danced all over the country called Georgella Blues. We commence in ballroom hold, facing the line of dance. It starts with gentleman left, lady right, 2 walks and a chassé to the centre. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Gent right, lady left, 2 walks and a chassé to the wall. Slow, slow, making an 1/8 of a turn and ready to step outside of partner. We're going to check, replace and do a lock step back. And check, replace and step, cross step. Now the other way round, gent steps back right, lady forward left. He lock steps forward, she lock steps back, but we finish in promenade. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Moving down the line of dance, we're going to step and point twice. Step, point, point. We release the hold and do a solo open turn, making 3/4 of a turn to face partner. Gent turning left, lady turning right. And slow, 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 and we point. Gent right, lady left, adopting brief double hold. We repeat the solo open turn, but moving against the line of dance. And slow, 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 and point to the side. We adopt ballroom hold and do a circular chassé, finishing facing the line of dance. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now, as this dance is so popular, we'll just dance it through and give you the rhythm. Ready, and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. 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 Slow, 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 slow. Slow, 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 slow. Slow, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. I'm sure you'll all find that a delightful little dance to do.